Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is. I'm Mr. Daniel,
I'm Ms. Vora.
and we are your student council sponsors here at Garcia Middle School. We're so excited to welcome you to maybe your first club that you've joined, either on campus or online, okay? So we're so excited to have you. Student council exists to help represent the student body. It is your student council. We want to be the voice that represents the entire student body, 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. We want to do school events that help enhance our school spirit. We focus on student issues and try to come up with solutions, collect data about student concerns, and build up leadership skills while being in our club. Even when we're online, for example, last semester, we had an awesome Spirit Week, right, Ms. Vora? We were able to do awesome videos and share. Yes. I think it was a lot of fun, right? So I think it's definitely something we want to continue this year, and we're excited to try it in our new online method. So the student council, the way it works is we have me and Ms. Vora as our sponsors. Then from that, we kind of give a lot of our duties to our executive board. Now, executive board is our officers for the club. So we have a main student body president, and that's either a 7th or 8th grade student. Then we have a representative from each grade level. So 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade all have a representative, and they'll be their class president. The treasurer and historian should be from a 7th and 8th grade, but anyone can vote for them. And our secretary can be from any grade level. So if any 6th grader wants to apply, that's another position as well. All of these red executive board members are all members that need to be voted on. So in the coming weeks, we will be doing an election where students will vote for you based on a 1-minute speech you have to represent your student body. So we are really excited. If you're interested, please try out and apply. Everyone else that joins student council is a general body member. So general body members are just student council members. So they kind of help with events, planning, and a lot of work that goes into having a good time. So we have a lot of fun. We create events, we do fun things, and it's just a wonderful place to be, right, Ms. Vora? I think student council is the best club. Is that what I've heard?
Excellent, yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah, as Mr. Daniel was saying, it is one of the best organizations to join because we do a lot of fun activities. We do contests, we do awareness, fundraisers, socials, dance, sporting events, shows, community service, and the most important is talent show, which we tried doing last year, but this year it's going to be even better.
Right, definitely. And, some of these things we can't do right now because of, certain regulations, but that's okay. We still have an opportunity to do things online. So we still have opportunities to advocate student voice, student events. And while we may not be able to do everything that's on here, it's just one small list of examples of what student council can do. And there's so much more that's definitely possible. Awesome. So when you want to find out how students, as you become student council members, one thing you want to know is how to find out what students want. So you can do things, for example, by passing out surveys, talking with other students, or even asking your teachers, maybe during Gator time, hey, is there an opportunity I can share a survey? Or, having a small group discussion and kind of hearing it from your peers. That's how you learn about what the students on campus want. From there, you can take that data and bring it to our student council meetings and even share it with our student body officers. From there, we're going to pick issues that are tangible, meaning things that we can do, especially while we're online or face-to-face or the mix. We want to do some things that are not far-fetched and realistic, but we also want to make a plan that will help support Garcia, right? We want to make Garcia a campus where people love coming to, students love coming to, and we want to do things that support our campus community.
So how do I sign up for student council? So there are applications that need to be completed online, and we have to pay a $20 due that includes shirt, masks, snacks, and other supplies that you need for the student council. Payment is online only, and it will be due at a later date. We will decide when the date is going to be. Meetings also will be online and also available face-to-face depending on how we move forward. So September 20th is the deadline for all applications that should be completed online. And we will do the elections on September 22nd during the Gator time. Our first meeting we will be announcing very soon when it's going to be, depending on how we go forward.
Or you can find us on the school website under clubs and organizations and click student council. So you can watch the video again here if you have any questions about that, but you'll notice the general member form and executive member form. Everybody needs to fill out the general member form if you want to join student council. If you're interested in an executive officer position, you need to fill the general member form and the executive member form. The general member form asks just a few questions. For example, your first and last name, your student ID, just a couple other information like if you're running for a position, shirt size, if you're doing online or face-to-face. Now the real questions come over here. What extracurriculars are you involved in or were you involved in the past? So why do you want to be in student council, and how will Garcia benefit if you're in student council? The second part is a teacher recommendation. Now you only need to get one teacher recommendation. It can be a teacher from the past, maybe a teacher that you've had at Garcia or a teacher that you kind of know well on campus. In order to do that, you need to send them an email or send them a Schoology message. Now, I made it very easy for you. All you do is copy and paste this message right here and send it to your teacher. They are required to fill out this form and have that completed. Check off that you did send it and tell me who you sent the recommendation form to. After that, read through everything, make sure that you understand your expectations, type your name there, and ask for it to send an email of your receipt so you get a copy of your form. For our executive members, it's pretty much almost the same thing. Tell me what position you're interested in. And you're answering 3 questions, right? And all the information will be there. And the last part is they have to upload a 1-minute video of yourself. Make sure the video is recorded horizontally, like on a laptop, or if you're using a phone, hold it horizontally. Keep it under 1 minute. If it's more than a minute, I will cut it off awkwardly after the 1 minute mark, so please do that. Watch your video and make sure that you are clear and that you are speaking clearly and can be seen clearly as well.
Definitely remember that officer applications and general body applications are due. And, just like Ms. Boris said, we are just so excited to have you, okay? So if you have any questions, our email addresses are on the screen. 2 things before we farewell. The website for our Garcia Student Council is tinyurl.com/Garcia Stuco. So that's GarciaStuco. So Garcia Stuco, our campus website, has all of our applications and any information, such as me and Ms. Bora's email. You can email us, and you want to make sure you check your email because we'll be emailing out acceptance letters in the following weeks after we run elections. All right, so have a wonderful day, Gators, and we're so excited to have you join Student Council.
Yes, we want lots and lots of members, so please fill up the application forms. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.